What if your survival depended on the skills of local craftspeople? This was the reality for Roman soldiers on the empire's northern frontier. An international team of scientists has uncovered a corroded pile of Roman chainmail in Germany, believed to be used for repairing military garments. This discovery sheds light on the Roman military's repair and recycling methods, highlighting their reliance on local craftspeople. As the Roman Empire expanded, the army needed to become self-sufficient, especially along the German frontier, where they had to manufacture their own equipment. In 2012, archaeologists found a 30.86-pound hoard of chainmail in a civilian settlement outside a Roman fortress in Bonn, Germany. The thousands of interconnected rings in chainmail made it difficult to melt down, so it was reused for repairs, much like textile patches. This artifact, a solidified pile of almost complete chainmail garments, was essentially a scrap pile for repairs. This is the first clear evidence that mail armor was being repaired outside a Roman military installation, according to Martijn A. Wijnhoven. High-resolution CT scans revealed that the mail was likely intended for repairing other garments by local craftworkers. This evidence suggests that the Roman army depended on local workers to maintain their equipment, highlighting the interactions between the Roman military and local populations.